Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Microsoft Teams, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to schedule a meeting in your Microsoft Teams anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Microsoft Teams is a great way to organize your meetings and also communicate with their video conferencing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Teams dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Teams, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a meeting inside of your Microsoft Teams, there's two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is you can click on your calendar here on the left side. Once you do that, up on the top right, you're going to click on New Meeting. Another way you can get to it is click on Meet. It looks like a camera logo here on the left. All right, once you do that, you can click on Schedule a Meeting. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up your meeting. So let's go ahead and add a title: Mexican Restaurant Onboarding Call. Okay, and here you can go ahead and invite participants. So you can enter their name if they're in your contacts, email or phone number. Here we can go ahead and set up the date. So let's say this is going to happen next week on the 30th, and we're going to have this at 2 p.m. and it's going to be the same day. It's only going to last for 1 hour. If this is some sort of an ongoing meeting that you're scheduling in Microsoft Teams, you can click here and then repeat it weekly, monthly, yearly. That's really up to you. For me, this is a one-time meeting. Here you can go ahead and add a location, 123 Main Street. Okay, and here you can go ahead and add some details. This is to get your Mexican restaurant more clients. Okay, and then up here on the top right, who can bypass the lobby? So lobby is basically a holding room, so that way people can't just jump into your meeting. So you can put this, if somebody was invited to the meeting, you don't need to approve them from going into the lobby into the meeting. And then who can present? I'm going to put this as only me. And after that, you want to go ahead and click on save. Okay, so now you can see our meeting has been created. And then here's the meeting link. We can go ahead and copy that. Okay, the link's copied to my clipboard. Now, if we want to revise it, we can come over here to our calendar, and let me jump over to the 30th. And here's our meeting right here. And we can go ahead and join from this link or from this link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to schedule a meeting in your Microsoft Teams, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.